Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are all doing well today. We've got some exciting news right now for Bitcoin, and I really want to talk about it in today's stream. Okay, finally, some sort of exciting news for Bitcoin. Right, for the past few days, I feel like we've been having a lot of negative news and a lot of FUD, of course. Okay, even today, right, we had a bit more FUD today, but I want to talk about it all in today's stream. So give this stream a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. I really would appreciate that. Of course, I appreciate all you guys that have in fact been supporting me, and I see exactly who you guys are. I read the comments, I see all you guys, so I appreciate all you guys for real. But let's talk about it. So Bitcoin right now is actually bouncing back up, right? That's obviously great to see, right? Bitcoin is bouncing back up. We actually saw Bitcoin drop yesterday because of the rate hikes, okay, from the Fed, okay, pausing the rate hikes and whatnot, and that pretty much caused the crypto market, even the stock market, to crash as well. But clearly, you guys can clearly see that Bitcoin and other altcoins today are in fact slowly recovering back up from the dip that we saw yesterday. So that's great to see. So yeah, we saw Bitcoin just below $25,000. It actually went all the way down to 24.9k, and then you guys can clearly see today Bitcoin did in fact slowly go back up to $25,000. So right now Bitcoin's currently at $25,600, almost at 25.7. So Bitcoin is in fact pumping, which is great to see as always. And the entire cryptocurrency market is, looking pretty good today, slightly, right? Overall, the market is up 1.6%. And you guys can clearly see for the past 24 hours, a fair few altcoins are in fact bouncing back up and slightly recovering, slightly. Not too much movements today, but we are in fact seeing some slight movements for the past few hours, which is, great to see. You guys see Bitcoin is up 2.8%. Ethereum 2.3%, okay, Cardano 3.3%, XRP 1.9%, Dogecoin 3%. I'm not quite sure why Dogecoin is pumping, right? But it is. Litecoin 4.3%. So yeah, a fair few altcoins are in fact pumping in the markets today, which is absolutely amazing to see. Now let's get to the real news for today's stream. Blackrock. Okay, Blackrock, right now, okay, this literally just came in right now, okay, $10 trillion Blackrock officially files for spot Bitcoin ETF. Okay, this is some major news, and this is some incredible news, okay, and remember, guys, right, Blackrock, they didn't, really have anything to do with Bitcoin or even cryptocurrency or blockchain, right? They even said that back in 2018. So here's a video from back in 2018. Okay, the CEO of Blackrock, okay, Larry Fink. I think that's how you pronounce his last name. Larry Fink said BlackRock clients had zero interest in Bitcoin exposure, and BlackRock had zero interest in offering it. Right. So this was back in 2018. This is after calling crypto a index or of money laundering, right? So index of money laundering. Today, BlackRock just filed to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF, which is this right here. Okay, so this is some major news right now for the crypto space, I would say. Right, I want to show you guys this clip real quick.
Is it true that you're building out a cryptocurrency capability?
Hold on. Can you guys hear that? Okay, should be good.
Is it true that you're building out a cryptocurrency capability?
No. I mean, we're looking at it. We're looking at blockchain technologies, and we're looking at all the
But blockchain isn't crypto. Blockchain is just the underlying technology. Well, don't your clients want crypto exposure?
No, I don't believe any client has sought out crypto exposure.
Really?
Yes.
But at some point they might. Do you need to be prepared?
I don't, at the moment, no. I have not heard from any one client they're looking to buy a cryptocurrency at this time. But right now, I can tell you it worldwide, I have not heard from one client who said, I need to be in this.
Is it true that you're building out a cryptocurrency capability?
Okay, so there you guys have it. So this was back in 2018, right? That had no interest in, Bitcoin or anything like that. And then yes, today they finally filed to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF, right? So that's that, guys. Okay, that is that, right? So some exciting news for Bitcoin and of course cryptocurrency finally, right? This is some great news. So that's that. And it seems like Bitcoin is gonna keep spreading around. As soon as you know it, okay, a lot of major businesses and companies are gonna be involved in Bitcoin and crypto, right? So be excited for that, guys. Okay, be excited for that. This is some great news right now for Bitcoin. Okay, it really, really is. And this was 5 years ago. So 5 years later, now they are in fact, doing something, making moves with, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin ETFs. So that's that. Now I want to show you guys a fair few charts in the stream. The target $52,000. I've been telling you guys that personally, I do in fact see a 50k or over 50k Bitcoin towards the end of this year in 2023. Okay, you guys can clearly see Bitcoin is in fact forming this pattern, this like cup pattern. Okay, that's what people are calling it right now, and I can see it, and you guys can clearly see it as well, right? You guys can see the little handle right here, the little cup, the curve, right? And a lot of people are in fact saying that you can see a heads and shoulder pattern as well, and I see that as well, right? So yeah, Bitcoin's forming a lot of patterns here, but it's very bullish in my opinion. Okay, even though yes, Bitcoin is in fact forming this, sort of like this falling wedge, right? This little downtrend right now for the past, few weeks, but we are in fact seeing a support level right here. Okay, so that's obviously great to see. Bitcoin is still in the support level. So we're going to see if Bitcoin breaks this resistance line back up to, $30,000. And once it does, I think this rally that we have in fact been seeing, will continue on, right? So it's all a matter of time. And I think this rally will continue. And towards the end of this year in 2023, we will in fact see Bitcoin, at least at $50,000 or even over $50,000. Right? So we will see. Time will tell. Okay, but I know that's possible. Now, long term. Okay, long term. We know the halving is happening. Okay. And everyone right now should be really excited. Everyone right now should be accumulating, dollar cost averaging, stacking as much Bitcoin as you possibly can. Because if you want to make money with Bitcoin and crypto, this is the time to do that, right? This is the time to do that. You have literally less than 1 year from now to buy, okay, these tokens at a decent price. If you want to make money with crypto, you better take advantage now with these dips, okay, and with these decent prices, right? Dirt cheap prices. These altcoins are literally dirt cheap. I've said it many times, right? These altcoins are literally dirt cheap, and that's why for the past few days, I've been stacking into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins like XRP, Cardano, right? Solana, Polkadot, Polygon, Litecoin, and many more. Chainlink, of course, right? Many more. Okay, so that's why I've been stacking, because I'm gonna take this as an opportunity to buy it, because we know like this week alone, altcoins have dropped massively, right? We all know that. So I'm gonna take this as an opportunity to buy more, especially Bitcoin. Okay, tomorrow I might go ahead and buy some more, see how the market performs. But who knows? The market might actually, have more corrections down to the downside. Okay, because I reckon it will. And once it does, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger once again and stack more crypto for sure. Because I think right now is the perfect opportunity to do that. Okay, we know the halving is about to happen. Okay, next year in 2024, it gives us time to accumulate as much as we possibly can. Okay, and once the halving happens, we see Bitcoin pump, because it will. We know previous halvings. Okay, every single time, right? Bitcoin always. That's where Bitcoin really tends to pump the most, right? Every single time we have the halving. Okay, so once we have the halving in 2024, okay, towards the end of that year in 2024, yes, that's when Bitcoin's potentially going to reach a new all-time high. I've said it many times. I think personally we're going to see a 100k Bitcoin by that time, end of the year in 2024, and then 2025. That's where Bitcoin's going to really, really skyrocket. You guys can clearly see that right here, right? That's where it's really going to pump. Okay, so think about it. It gives us time right now to buy Bitcoin at a decent price, and of course, other altcoins, right, in the market. I've been telling you guys that many, many times. And I think this chart is very, very realistic, right, long term, where Bitcoin is heading in the next few years, of course 2024 and 2025. Okay, you guys should be very excited for the year 2024 and 2025, because those years are going to be great years for Bitcoin and crypto, because that is when we will pretty much officially be in the bull market. I wouldn't say we are, in a bull market right now. Okay, I would say we're still in a bear market. Okay, Bitcoin is like nowhere near its previous all-time high. It's not even halfway there. So if you think about it, it's still a great buy, right? But once Bitcoin, reaches back up to its previous all-time highs and reaches a new all-time high, yes, that is pretty much the beginning of the next, bull market, especially when the halving happens, right? So some exciting times, because that's going to happen in literally less than, a year from now, right? So exciting times for sure. Exciting times. Now, we know, I talked about this before earlier this morning, that USDT did in fact depeg. Okay, so Tether is a stable coin, and it actually did in fact depeg a few hours ago. So you guys can clearly see that Tether went all the way down to like 99 cents, 99.59, somewhere around there, right? Early this morning. And we know for a stablecoin, this is not supposed to happen at all. And this is not the first time that Tether has done this, right? A couple months ago, back November, okay, 11th of November, and that's pretty much when the whole situation with FTX, and we saw Bitcoin crash, and we saw the entire cryptocurrency market crash, and we saw even stablecoins having a drop as well. So Tether was one of them, and we saw Tether drop back down to 99 cents, just like what it's doing right now, right? But last time was a bit more worse. But it's pretty much doing the same exact thing, right, for Tether. And this is why, guys, I don't, put my money in stablecoins. I really don't, right? Any stablecoin, even with USDC, USDC, right? Even for that, I don't even put my money in stablecoins at all, guys. I never put my money in stablecoins. Okay, personally, I don't trust stablecoins. I don't even trust Tether. I really don't. I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. I really don't trust these stablecoins. Okay, I really don't. So mainly when I'm investing into crypto and whatnot, I just put into Bitcoin and Ethereum. That is pretty much it. Like my big bags. Yes, you guys see me invest into other altcoins, right? But my main investments and my biggest holdings are, of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially Bitcoin, right? I have never put my money into stablecoins. I never thought about it, okay, at all, right? And I probably never will ever put my money in stablecoins, because are they really stablecoins? Like, think about it, right? It's depegged to the dollar. It's not supposed to do that. So if you really think about it, right, it's not really stable. You know what I mean? So it's a risk, in my opinion, right? Because stablecoins are supposed to always be, up at $1 or above $1, right? Like USDC, right? See how it's at $1? Okay. Tether is not. So I don't know. Just think about that, guys. All right. Just think about it. It's pretty much depegged. Okay. Also want to give you guys a little update on the Bitcoin monthly returns. So far this month, June, we are more than halfway through June now. So we'll see where June will end off, either in the reds or the greens. But so far it's down 6.2%, over 6% in the reds. And you guys clearly see June, usually it's not a great month for Bitcoin, but we will see how Bitcoin performs this month and see where it will end off, right, for this month in June. You guys will see Ethereum is down 10% for this month in June. Ethereum has dropped a lot this month compared to other months, right? They were all in reds. January, February, March, April, even May last month slightly. But so far, we are in the reds for this month. So we'll see how June holds up with Ethereum and see how Ethereum performs for this month. But so far, it's looking not that great. But that is okay. That is okay. It gives us an opportunity to buy more. But yeah, I'm planning on buying more Ethereum. I was actually planning on buying more Ethereum this morning. I don't know why I didn't. I should have. But I might actually do that tomorrow. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because I'm planning on buying more Ethereum. I'm planning on buying more other altcoins as well. I've been telling you guys many times that I'm really looking to buy other altcoins. Polygon, for some reason, today is down 4%. I'm not quite sure why Polygon is dropping. But yeah, it's dropping. You guys can clearly see that. Polygon is down 4%. Polygon has been dropping lately, which is great. I've always been thinking about investing more into Polygon, stacking more in Polygon. So I'm glad it's dropping, honestly. But yeah, it's dropping today 4%, right? I'm not quite sure why, but it is. But yeah, fair few altcoins are in fact pumping, which is, great to see, right? For the past 24 hours, they're actually, performing pretty well, I must say. Not too shabby. What's Pepe doing? I'm wondering. I haven't checked out Pepe for a while. Wow. Hold up. Pepe is pumping over 11% today. I'm not quite sure why. Yeah, it seems like Pepe is slowly bouncing back up, but you guys can clearly see it's dropped a lot, right? Like, I don't even know if there's any steam or gas in Pepe anymore. Like, can Pepe even go back up to its previous all-time highs? You know? Like, can it? Who knows? But it's pumping today, 11%. That's not too bad. But overall, yeah, the market's looking pretty good today. Okay, up over 2%. Okay, we talked about the Bitcoin ETF with Blackrock. So this is some massive, massive news. Okay, very bullish as well. Okay, and I'm excited, and I hope you guys are in fact excited as well for the future for Bitcoin, right? It really just show you guys that Bitcoin, right? Like, everyone needs Bitcoin. Like, sooner or later, guys, okay, a lot of people are going to start using Bitcoin to pay for things. A lot more businesses and different companies, major businesses and companies, are going to start accepting Bitcoin and crypto as payments as well, right? So Bitcoin's going to be more adopted and whatnot. But yeah, I'm really excited and hope you guys are too as well. But yeah, it's shocking that back in 2018 they had no thoughts about, the Bitcoin ETF or anything like that, making moves with Bitcoin, but 5 years later, here they are. And it's shocking, right? It really is. And I think in the past, even like a year ago or so, over a year ago, they were actually planning on doing something with Bitcoin ETFs, but they didn't, I don't think. And now they are, I think they are, right, with this coming out. So that's that. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I just really wanted to talk about, the news with BlackRock, filing applications, right, Bitcoin ETFs and whatnot, because that is obviously some great news. And yeah, it's finally happening, right? So that's great. And we will see if Tether can recover, go back up to $1. We will see. I don't think it's going to crash. Like, I really don't. I'm going to be honest with you guys, right? It's still holding up really well, even though, yes, it's not at $1, but we will see. But I think it will slowly, bounce back up to $1, right? Even though I really don't care about stablecoins, but I don't think it's going to like crash back down. But we will see. Okay, who realistically really knows, right? But yeah, that's that. Hope you guys enjoy the stream. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. More streams will in fact be coming your way. Sorry, today was in fact a sort of like a short stream. I just really wanted to give you guys an update on the markets, and of course with this news with BlackRock, officially filing applications for Bitcoin ETFs and whatnot. Great news. But that's all I really wanted to talk about in this stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. I would really, really, really appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.